morning.
Morning, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. How about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. We are meeting for the very first time, right? So I would like to know about you. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. So, first of all, thank you for giving me opportunity to talk with you because I watched your video in with Charisma ma'am one day, and from there I also tried to upload a video, but on that time I didn't have a confidence to upload a video in YouTube. So,
Okay.
thank you. Okay. So,
It's my
my name thank you. My name is Anil Kumar Ram. I'm from Himachal Pradesh. As a profession, I'm a karate coach. I'm giving karate lesson in the school, and I have 20-year experience of teaching karate. I
wow.
completed my graduation. Uh, thank you. I completed my graduation in long distance because at that time we have some family problem, so I didn't complete my education in college. I just complete my education and focus only karate. In this time, I joined um, English in the month of March, 4th March 2024. And from there, I try to uplift my English. And
Wow.
every day I try to connect with a new person. But in this time, I had some work. From today, I didn't start my journey. From last week, I didn't uh, mm, join any co-learner with co-learner or any expert. But yeah, I took classes in every day, text classes every day in clapping and English. Yeah, that's all, man. Thank you.
Wow. That's great. Very good to know about you. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. Should I?
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, I have done master in education subject. I'm married person, a mother of one kid. I'm also running YouTube channel. The channel name is Global English Quest. That's all about me.
It's a
Wow,
nice
that
man.
okay. That's great. Very good to know about you as well. Because I haven't meet any person who are teaching karate, so I want
Okay.
to know about karate. Today's topic is karate, so just I want to know about everything.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
what do we have to do and why? First of all, why karate is important in our day-to-day life?
Like if we are talking about day life, so definitely karate is a like a sports, and also those are interested in taking physical fitness. They also need karate, and you also heard about Kolkata case. So
Yes,
for
yes.
this reason, we need these things like karate or any kind of martial art. We need these things for not for girls, child, and even older person. Those are at 50, 60. They can also learn karate. So everyone needs karate.
Definitely nowadays, era is changing, situation is day by day changing, right? So we need to learn this kind of things because we need to be a self-dependent, not only
Yes,
educational wise, we need to self-depend by physical wise also. We should tackle the every problem we will be faced in our upcoming time. So definitely karate is a one of these, so we can handle and we can tackle the problem very easily.
easily.
So
Yes.
I'm very thrilled to connect with you today. So I got to know about more so we can protect ourselves, by learning karate.
Yeah.
That is the very important thing. So how did you learn? How did you learn about karate and why did you choose this way?
So when I was a 3-year-old, at that
Okay.
moment in my village, my native village, there is a one decor. They kidnapped the child and they murdered him or cut the pieces on spread on the farms. So that's why my mother took me to the in and my mother sent me to the to Kolkata, And from there, my father asked me, Anil, you want to learn karate? So in night, I said, yeah, I also want to learn karate. But in when the morning, the next day morning, my
Mhm.
father asked me, "Anil, let's go for a karate classes." So I said, no, 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 I don't want. I don't want to learn karate. Then after 6 months uh, later, my father asked me again and enroll my name, and from there, my journey of karate. When I was a 16-year-old, at that moment, I start my journey like. You can say very focused. I focus on karate only because in class
Okay.
when I was a 16-year-old, at that moment I was kidnapped. So
Oh,
that's yeah.
oh my God.
So yeah. So from there I start my journey seriously, taking seriously of karate. So that's why I told you that I am not go to college with for my family reason. The main reason is this because I am kidnapped. So my father is not interested to send a school or any kind of things. He said, but you just stay at home. But my karate sir, he gave me lots of confident, boost me, like who said, no, you can fight with any person, you can hit any person. So let's go to work for a market. And he sent to me, like a send from their home to my home, go alone. And he also come with me with like in another ways. And he said, you go alone. And from there, I get a lots of confidence. So karate is my life.
Oh, it was lots of history behind this, right?
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
may I know what was the reason to kidnap you for
That,
money purpose?
yeah, suddenly my mother asked my father that everyone have their own house and we have only mud house. So this is not good because you are working on government sector. Why we are not have our own house? So my father said, no, I just interested to purchase one land in Kolkata. So we create our own house in Kolkata only, in
Mhm.
not Bihar. But my mother forced to my father. My father said, okay. And same month, my father purchased some land for farming, create my own house. The kidnapper was, the kidnapper is my uncle. So he just uh,
He was observing each and everything, right? So they have lots of money. So they want to take the
I don't
money.
know about that. He is a kidnapper, but everyone said that your uncle is a kidnapper. And also I met with kidnapper. He also said to me that your uncle support me. That I don't know. Like he is not come in front of me, but everyone say that your uncle is a main culprit.
Oh my God. Did you do anything with you, like a
No,
beating,
no.
coming?
That moment from morning to evening, I don't know that I am kidnapped. I was kidnapped because I'm playing with a gun. I'm trying to pull the trigger and shot and trigger and shot because there is no bullet. I just playing with a gun. They have lots of guns, so they are saying that we are just talking each other, and I know everyone. So that's why I'm comfortable with them and I'm played with them. But suddenly in the evening, I realized that I was kidnapped in the evening.
How old you was that time?
I think 15 or 16-year-old.
15 or 16?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my God. It's so terrible situation.
Here I start my journey. Even now, this time, my wife, my sister, my nephew, my niece, my father-in-law, my brother-in-law, everyone learn karate. They provide service in the school, private session, took classes everywhere. So our family, you can say our family is a karate family.
Yeah, this is the really required nowadays. We should learn each and every one. It's for ourselves, right? Not for any competition or not any other things. For
Yeah.
safety purpose, we should learn this kind of things.
Yes.
Definitely. And which time is very good for learn this karate? Is there any particular age we start to learn?
No, man, anyone can join karate. Even I would like to tell you one thing. Like I have one student. Is a 54, and so
No.
I would like to tell you one thing. Like I have one student. His is a 54, and he start their karate journey in corona time. The first time when he came to my academy, he very scared about corona. He said, if I'm not doing any exercise, so the corona attack me and I will die. So he start their journey, start practicing just for 15 minutes. Now he won medal in Open Championship, in International Championship in Kolkata,
Oh
in their
my
age,
God.
4 years. Yeah. So anyone
Oh,
can join. One can learn.
yeah, yeah. That is very important. Really. Okay, that's great. Anything else you want to share about karate? Because I don't have any question. I don't know. I don't have any idea about karate, so I can ask something to you. If you have any, something special to share about karate, then I would love to know about, and maybe it will help to our audience also who will not aware about the karate, and they can protect themselves after learning this karate, right? So if you have anything special, or if you have any exercise similar, so which exercise we can follow or for our safety, so please share. I would love to know.
Uh, like English. If we are practicing regular base, so
Hmm.
we improve our English, and if we want to like improve our speaking, then we have to speak with more and more with a new person and try to connect with a person. Like that, if you want to improve your self-defense skill, so you have to fight with like your partner, your enemy. Like that, you have to go to the dojo. And we have a lots of videos on my YouTube channel. There is another YouTube channel. The channel name is Yan Anil Kumar Ram. So we uploaded a lots of video. If anyone hold your hand and try to rape and try to do it, did any kind of different things, so you can save yourself. So I try to give them some ideas, but that ideas do not work on they are if they are doing first time. So they have to regular base practice that techniques. And if I would like to one thing add this things like I had one student. She's a girl, and she came to my academy. She have some asthma. She is suffering some asthma, regular taking inhaler, and suddenly after 1 or 2 years, yeah, after 1 year, we had one interview with a reporter, and she suddenly tell the story that I had some asthma problem, and after practicing karate regular base, I cured from there, and now I'm very happy that every
Okay.
day, yeah, every day she took inhaler 5 or 6 times after practicing, like in one or sometimes after 1 days or 2 days later, she took inhaler. Otherwise, she left all these things.
Oh wow. Oh, that's great. She was taking this kind of things, right? After learning this karate, she has to remove.
Yes, yes, yes.
Wow, that's great. That's great thing. So, if we have, in my surrounding, there has no environment to, learn karate, or maybe I'm not aware about. So, if someone people has not aware, or they don't have this kind of environment to learn karate, so what they have to do exact?
Like in
What?
I uploaded a lots of video exercise videos. If anyone wants to remove their fat, if anyone wants to increase their height, all kind of videos I uploaded on my YouTube channel, approximately 1,000 videos. So
Okay.
yeah. Yeah, and if anyone wants to like learn karate from basic to black belt, they can
Okay.
also learn because I uploaded a video by serial wise. Like if you are a beginner, which videos you need to practice. So I uploaded. If you
Can we do at home alone? This kind of
yeah yeah
exercise can we do?
yeah yeah. I give
Okay.
only basic level to advanced. Like gradually, when you practice a regular base, there is a approximately on that course we upload approximately 650 or sorry 350 approximately the video uploaded on that course. So if anyone like follow one video regular base, they are like practicing approximately 1 year. And definitely if the follow all the videos, they don't need to instructor. Yeah, we need an instructor. So I also upload my phone number on that channel. So if anyone practicing karate and if facing any kind of problem, they can upload, they can send me the videos and I try to give them some suggestion. Not regular
Suggestion.
because yeah, there are lots of videos are sending a people and lots of person sending a message. Sometimes they are very rude, sometimes happy. So I have to send a reply everyone. So yeah, sometimes I give the reply same day, sometimes 2 or 3 days later. But definitely I give them a response.
Okay, that is good thing. Please send me your channel link. I also mention your channel link. Who will watch this video? They will understand the entire process about karate, right? So I will put definitely. I love to put, and I try to help them as well. Through this video. So
Okay.
it will help to them. Definitely, we should learn this kind of exercise, right? We should learn about to protect ourselves.
Good.
Okay, that's great. Very good to know about you, and you are a teacher of karate. So I'm very thrilled now about listening after talking to you. So thank you so much for joining me. It was really nice conversation with you. So
Thank you.
please send me the channel link as well. Okay, definitely.
Definitely.
I love to mention. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a
It's a
good day.
nice
Okay. Namaste.